Hello. So if you have this Latitude E5440 and is dead, I mean you plug in the power but nothing happened, okay, not even charging LED, then you can measure, and if on the current sensor resistor on here after first and second MOSFET, if here have between here and ground, if you have 10 ohms or maybe around 10 ohms, then most probably you have this CD3301 burned. This is on CPU on IC4. So it is unplaced here, and you have to put two wire. I will post a picture to understand. And now it's okay. We plug in the power. It will power on by itself because don't have BIOS battery. And after we have a picture on screen, USB it's working, okay, and notebook it's working. So that's it. Here you have one wire, here you have two wire, and the third wire is here. Okay? Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.